This is the Skylon Personnel and Logistics Module, which carries people and cargo into space and delivers them to orbiting facilities such as the International Space Station. Here the module is configured to carry 8 station crew members and 2 tons of supplies and equipment. It is carried by Skylon, an aircraft-like spaceplane projected to be operational before 2020. The module is loaded into the payload bay like any other payload, and Skylon can carry the module without any special modifications. Skylon reaches space using 2 hydrogen-fueled Sabre engines. These breathe the air from the atmosphere until they reach a velocity of 5 times the speed of sound and a height of 26 kilometers. Then the Sabres convert to pure rocket engines, burning liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen, and power the spaceplane into orbit. Once in orbit, the payload bay doors open, and Skylon performs the maneuvers that will take it to a rendezvous with the space station. The passengers and crew will be more than 40 times safer than in current crew delivery systems. The International Space Station has housed people in orbit since 2000 and is expected to remain in operation until at least 2020. Skylon could fly servicing missions during its development program and then enable the space station to be refurbished and serviced for an extended life beyond 2020. It attaches at the same place as the Space Shuttle and would replace all the capability lost when the shuttle fleet is retired, but at a quarter the price. We have begun to contemplate our origins. It is said that we are the children of stardust, and now is the time to realize our destiny. Skylon could enable the International Space Station to fully realize its potential as the foundation for human presence in space.